Hello? Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel. We have quite a different unboxing today that I'm very, very excited for. So I opened this box up just to sort of see what was on top. And a lot of it's hidden by packaging. Oh my god, this box smells amazing. But whenever I realized, because I got it and I didn't really understand what it was, I was like, did I order something? Opened it up, it is not something I ordered. So I'm pretty sure I know who this is from, but there's no note on top, so I'm hoping there was a note deeper in. Because if it's not from who I think it's from, then that means that some rando with my address has said this. I'm pretty sure I know who it's from, and I am very, very excited. I will confirm who it's from as soon as I am sure here. So yes, this box is from Dead Things by Kit. You can find her on deadthingsbykit.com. And this particular box that I got was the Dark Arts gift box. So I'm about to go through and show you everything that was in here, and then I'm going to tell you a bit about it at the end. Wow, okay. Okay, so yeah, like, I am very excited. So this is kind of what we're working with on the top of the box here. So, it smells so nice. There's a very familiar incense in here. I don't know, maybe it's like white sage incense. It's something that I've had before, and it's like a very nostalgic smell, and I'm loving it. So on the top there is some sort of little, like, it looks like an oracle card or a tarot card or something in that realm. And it's really, really pretty. I love this. There is also a nice feather. I'm not like totally sure what this is. I would think maybe like pheasant or something along those lines. But there's a very pretty feather. I wonder where I could put this. We're just like diving in. There's some little tea lights in here. Little candle. Okay, next up we have like a little jaw here. I am not totally sure what this is of. The little front teeth. I'm assuming there would be teeth here. Those are missing. I can only see the molars. I am honestly not sure. It looks way too big to be like a rabbit or like a hare or anything. But I would assume it is something that eats grass because of the back teeth. Again, I'm definitely not an expert in this. I would say, I don't know, like a small sheep or something maybe? But yeah, we've got like this little jawbone. There's something in bubble wrap. Oh, there's like little dried rose petals falling out. Oh, it looks like a bath bomb actually. Oh, that smells really nice. Tiny, nice little bath bomb. There is an incense stick. It smells so good. Ah, white sage. White sage incense. That is what it was. I did wonder. Oh, that's such a good smell. Where's my lighter actually? Ooh, ooh, what is this? Ooh. So we have some sort of like long bone here. I assume this is something's like leg bone. Again, I'm not like amazing with things like this, but like I don't know if this would be like a femur or what, but yeah, we've got like a really long leg bone. This is the way to my heart, guys. Just send me boxes of dead things. Okay. Oh, I love collecting stuff like this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is like the best. Alright. Hold on, let me move all these little peanut guys. Okay, so there's a big something in bubble wrap. I think this is the last thing. Whatever is in this bubble wrap is the last thing. Oh! Oh, damn it, it's come loose from it. I can see what it is, but it's come loose from its frame. Oh! I'll be able to fix that. It didn't seem like they had been super good. Like, it says fragile over this box, but I did wonder if they were careful with it. Is there a note? There's still no note. Gosh, I'm gonna have to open this up if I can to put it back where it belongs. Let me see if I can. Oh, okay, here we go. It is this beautiful big moth in a frame, which like is super, super pretty. I don't even know what type of moth this is actually, but it's really gorgeous. Oh, I love moths. This is so cute. I love how they're all like furry. Like this little one has like greenish fur almost on like the sides of its wings and everything. It looks like all mossy and cute. Oh, I love this. Och, that's so nice. Okay, there's no note. Let me message the person just to be sure. Oh, I love this so, so much. I can't wait. I don't know where I want to put this. Probably in the living room, I guess, because there's more space there. So that's the problem with the attic. I'd love to have things like this up here, but because all the sides are slanted, you can't really hang stuff as well. But this is so nice. As I say, it's not centered just because it has come loose from its little backing, but I'll be able to fix that, no problem. But you can still see it anyway, and it's just so, so pretty. Let's see if we can get a better close-up look. I hope you're able to see how pretty this is. It's really hard to tell from where I am, but oh my god, so beautiful. I love that. So we got the beautiful moth in a frame. We got our little card. We got a nice little bath bomb. We got some lovely incense. We got this long bone boy. We got this jawbone boy. And we got a lovely feather. So I am very happy, and these just all look so pleasing together. I'll have to arrange them. I don't, will I put them up here or will I put them, I guess the mantelpiece downstairs where I keep most of this kind of thing is getting a bit crowded, so I might keep them for up here. I haven't decided yet. We will see. This is not a wand. But yeah, these are beautiful. Ever since I was a kid, I've just been so interested in like bones and taxidermy and just like things of that nature. I remember like, you know, going out on countryside walks and stuff with like either my parents or like the school that I went to or whatever. And like there's a couple of times, you know, you'd find like a sheep skull or like a whole sheep skeleton. And I remember just begging to be allowed to take those things home. So I still hold that fascination so much. So I love this. This is like, this is what I need. This is what makes me happy. Holy shit. Okay. All right. So as I say, this is the Dark Arts gift box. I will put a link to it down below. So I'm gonna read these out of order just because I can't believe what one of the things is. Right, so first of all we have the framed moth. Yes, beautiful moth. I have to put it back together because the postman clearly was not careful enough, and it is such like a beautiful, delicate piece. There's the bath salts, so that would be the bath bomb. Sage incense, vegan altar candle. The little jawbone actually isn't mentioned, but this apparently is an antique human bone. I would love to know more about this, but apparently, yes, this is an antique human bone. I cannot believe that. It's not the first time I've held human bones. I have held a human skull before, but I don't own anything like that. That is really, really cool. I know for some people this will be so morbid, and I'm sure some people will probably have a problem with it. For me, I don't know. I just find it really interesting and amazing, like, just the way stuff like that works. Like, I have like such confusing feelings about death. Death remains one of the things that scares me the most in this world, but at the same time things like this just blow me away, because like what I'm holding in my hands right here was like a person and a life, you know, like this used to be walking around out in the world, like falling in love and like, you know, spending nice days in the sun. Like that's crazy to me. Like I'm just like holding a part of someone's history, and just that's like kind of really beautiful in a way to me. I don't know. Getting a little bit emotional. So a huge thank you to Dead Things by Kate for this amazing box. I am a little bit stunned and blown away by everything, especially the bone and the moth. That is like, holy crap. If you want to check it out, if you're into this sort of thing as well, you should check out deadthingsbykate.com. She has a whole bunch of different products and stuff. She makes some really amazing things. I would definitely recommend having a look. There is some cool stuff on there if you are into oddities and taxidermy and bugs and bones and things of that nature, which is just all of what I love. So I am super happy with this. If anyone's wondering why a plant appeared in the corner, it's because while I was double checking who this was from, I did a different part of a video so that's why plant. Okay, yes, I've been a little bit stunned and blown away by this cool box. I've kind of forgotten what I'm doing. So again, yes, a big thank you. I enjoyed this immensely. I am so like hyped and pumped, and I can't wait to like place everything in its new homes, in their new homes. I can't even speak, I guess, at this point. So yes, links down below. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, leave a comment, but please don't be disrespectful or mean. You don't have to be into this kind of thing. That is fine. I certainly don't expect everyone to, but try to be open-minded and don't, you know, don't be disrespectful just because it's not the kind of thing you're into, is what I'm trying to say, basically. There's no need for that. If you want to check out my Patreon before you go, that'd be very much appreciated. The link is down in the description as always. It's a super cool website where you can tip your favorite content creators for the content that they provide for you. And I will see you in the next video, and hopefully I'll be a little less dazed and blown away. See you next time, lovelies. Bye!